Hello and welcome, it's Jai here from J Squared Trading here today. Today what I've got for you is my very first video on the channel. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how I went from nothing to £1,461.50 in 31 days through dropshipping. I'm in no way a professional at doing this. This is in my first month of giving it a crack. This is just an advice video for anyone starting it, my personal experience and how you can improve on it. So what is dropshipping? If you're watching this video, you're more than likely to know what it is. It's advertising a product you found elsewhere for profit, with a good profit margin. So say if you're selling this vape liquid for £10, I will advertise it for £20 elsewhere, and hopefully someone will pay for it. So first thing I'm going to get into is product selection. This is finding the right products. This is how you can find products to make profit on. So as of the time of filming this, and if my camera will fucking stay still, as at time of filming this, it is the 20th of November 2018. So Black Friday is coming up on us, and I think it's the 23rd, Black Friday. This fucking camera's doing my head in. I'm just going to hold it. So Black Friday is the 23rd of November in the UK, I believe. Elsewhere in the world, I'm not sure. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've been looking at. So if we go over here on Amazon, I'm not sure if you can really see it on Amazon. They've got huge deals on, as you can see, Black Friday sale. They've got huge deals on a few Amazon devices. So for example, we've got this Amazon Echo Dot 2nd Gen smart speaker with Alexa. £20 down from £50. So I'd find this product. Once I found this product, the second thing I'd do is product research. Now I can't explain to you how crucial this is, because without product research, it's not going to sell anywhere near as good as if you didn't do it. So what I mean by product research is looking at competition. So if I go on eBay right now and I search in Amazon Echo Dot 2nd Gen, I've already took a look at this, and I think the price on eBay is around £35 when I last looked. So if we look at it brand new, Amazon Echo Dot 2nd Gen, if we look at it brand new, buy it now, there you go, £41.99, £39.99, hopefully the camera's focused, I can't really see, £39.99, £41.99, £32.99, all these listings. These aren't refined to brand new either. So if we go and find it brand new, if it'll tell me anywhere, new, there you go. As you can see that they're all, and if we could buy it now actually, because auctions aren't good to look at. If you look at these, they're all £12. This is the only one I've found that's £5 above, but that's got £3.69 shipping. All of these are more than likely drop shippers. So what I did is I listed this Amazon Echo Dot at £32.99. That's a £12.99 profit margin right there. So that £12 is yours, and if you're a new seller and PayPal holds your funds, you're going to get that very, very quickly. So when they hold the funds, this is because you're a new seller, or you're all of a sudden selling expensive items that you haven't done before. So say if I'm in a brand new eBay account and I listed, I don't know, if I listed these Yeezys right here, I don't know, £250 or something, then I tried to be a scam artist and just run off with someone's money. No, PayPal completely stops this. Now me, I've sold a few things already, so I've got good feedback, so customers are getting the expensive items that I've sold for like £90 and it's cost me like £40 to buy. Then PayPal won't hold your funds. So if you're beginning this, the best product price range to look at is around £20 to £90. This is because if it's about £30, £40-ish, I've noticed PayPal never held my funds at like £45 sales. But this, I've sold a fair few of them. I've probably made about 50 quid in a day just selling the Echo Dots. That's just an example. And now I'm going to take you to my seller hub on eBay. And if we look right there, sales over the course of 31 days, we've got £1,461.50. So if I refresh that, so you know it's not an inspect element, I keep moving my mouse when it loads, there you go. And I'm hoping the camera's done it. And at the minute I have, how many listings? I have 14 active listings just there. all different products, all ranging from different things, clothes, technology, games. So yeah, that's just my personal little sell hub. As you can see, this is what I mean by holds. So as you can see, I've got £400 on hold. That's straight profit as well, because I buy with my bank account, so whatever is in my PayPal is mine. I don't confuse profits as much. I've got a little book of sales as well that I like to keep, just so I can add up my profit and make sure I am making good money. If we go on to my payments received over on PayPal, I'm going to show you the money that's flown in over the past few days of doing this. So I started this at around 23rd of October. So as you see, starting at the 19th of November, we've got 2 payments for £45, 18th of November we've got £10, 12th we've got £10, 11th we've got £86, 11th £86 again, £52 again, £57, £115 on the 10th, 9th all the way up to the 4th we've got £8. 3rd of November were a big day, I got £67 and then £81 just there. Fairly standard, fairly easy money. The products were costing me about £40 to buy what I was selling. I'm not going to be giving away too much just yet, because I want to see how this goes when it comes to product research and everything. But yeah, doing these few simple little steps has allowed me to make that much money in a certain time period. Now, as you can see, I've got a few, I'll probably have like 1 or 2 subscribers if you're watching this. Normal lad, I'm working part-time and I'm making, what, 1,500 in a month just off dropshipping. If we take away how much the items have cost me to buy, it's probably around a £900 profit just there. On top of a wage of about £800, that's a £1,700 take-home profit in a month. That's a lot of people's standard living wage. So if I was to do this full-time, I mean, who knows what could happen, but that's just a few little bits there. So if you're starting dropshipping, if you want to be making what I'm making very easily, without much risk, first advice, start with, so say if you've just set up a brand new eBay account, a brand new PayPal, first bit of advice I'll give you, start with low cost items with fast delivery from Amazon. So say if it's a £30 Echo Dot you want to list, that's so PayPal won't hold your funds, more than likely, they might do. Number 2, fast delivery means that once they get it and once it's on their system with a tracking number that it's been delivered, the funds will be released within about 48 hours. So that's your profit there. Number 3 is I'd make sure you have money behind you in case, say if you sold something for £90, PayPal, pardon me, it cost you 40, PayPal will hold them funds. So I'd make sure you have the money to actually buy the item, otherwise it's going to cause a lot of issues just there. Number 3, product research. Cannot stress this enough. Make sure that the products you're looking at are actually gonna sell. Make sure your competition, there isn't much of it. Now, advertising on eBay, I'm gonna get into that in a later video, because when you are listed on eBay, you can pay an extra few pounds to have it pushed to people's screens so it comes up higher on the search engine. That can increase sales a lot from what I've experienced, but I'm gonna do a separate video on advertising later once I'm more experience myself and I see how advertising, because I'm not going to tell you to go and advertise if it's not worked for me, and I'm not one of these big rich people making videos every day and stuff who have done this for years. This is me, this is my first month of dropshipping, I've made this money, I'm happy with it, and yeah, that's just the way the cookie crumbles for me, I guess. But the biggest advice I can give you, the only bitch about using eBay and PayPal is the seller fees. I have a £150 invoice fee to pay with eBay, and then PayPal has been taking money as well, so £8 sales, they take about 40 pence. The £150 sale I did, they took £9, as well as my seller fees on top of that. So make sure you have some income behind you as well if you're just starting this, so like a part-time job, savings, something like that. But yeah, I'm going to get more videos going up on the channel soon. Hopefully you'll see more from me and more dropshipping success and stuff to share with you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this first ever video on the channel. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll be bringing out more tips and everything in the coming days or weeks or whenever I feel like it. Let me know if you've got any questions down in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out.